večer, dobrodošli, welcome. I would like to ask you at first, who of you was ever in Slovenia before? Many of you.
Welcome in our winery. I wish you a pleasant evening. Thank you.
Isn't it a heartbreaking evening with such a lovely music, with excellent food? Yes?
And as her waving arms swirl, emotions around until they can no longer mere decipher offerings.
And therefore, definitely I would like to invite Mrs. Sheila to join me here to say also some nice words that we already heard in her wonderful presentation today. We are all anxious to see next year Sarah and
we are very happy if we see all of you next year, and let's hope the business will work that well as this year, because it was really nice to see how intensive conventions and talkings were running up. So let's see you next year in Hungary. Thank you very much.
One who dares to let her desire be his own becomes strong. And dancing gypsy ignores